हेलो एंड वेलकम टू द ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ स्पिन शोकेस। तो चलिए आपको ले चलते हैं प्रॉपर्टी एग्जीबिशन की तरफ। Now I'm with Mrs. Indu Saad, Director of Mumbai Property Exchange. Hello ma'am, how are you today?
Fine.
Welcome to Spin TV.
Thank you.
Ma'am, as you see the property prices are going high, do you feel there is a need of correction in this?
Correction is definitely needed. सभी लोग चाहते हैं कि the prices should come down in Mumbai because the price points have become pretty high. But I don't see कि price correction होगा अभी because of the land prices being the way they are in Mumbai, because there are no empty land parcels in Mumbai. So अगर land नहीं है available तो land prices नीचे नहीं जाएंगे, which constitutes about let's say 65% of the entire cost of any project. बट उसके बदले में हम ये देखते हैं कि आपकी स्कीम्स आ रहे हैं, 25-75 स्कीम्स आ रहे हैं, स्टैगर्ड पेमेंट अप्रोचेस आ रहे हैं, डिफरेंट पेमेंट शेड्यूल्स आ रहे हैं जो थोड़ा रिलैक्सेशन दे देते हैं पेमेंट शेड्यूलिंग में। तो ये सब चीज़ें आ रही हैं एक कस्टमर को वो करने के लिए, बट प्रॉपर्टी प्राइसेस एज सच तो नीचे नहीं जा रहे हैं।
तो आई शुड से दैट कि जो भी डिस्काउंट्स हैं, जो स्कीम्स हैं, दैट इज़ वन एस्पेक्ट वेयर
डिफरेंट वे, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ गिविंग यू अ डिस्काउंट इनडायरेक्टली, बट प्राइसेस एज सच आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम डाउन।
And what role you play in buying and selling process?
We are real estate consultants, so if a client comes to us, he's relying on our expert opinion because he feels we've been in the industry. We can give him a comparative analysis of all the different builders and projects, and he has to come only to one person to get his entire information and feedback. Whereas if he comes as a client, he has to go to 20 different stalls and perhaps then do the process of elimination. But if he comes to us, he relies on us, to give him the correct information and to guide him in the right direction as to what choices he should be making.
Generally experiencing clients who are looking for properties, but the crowd expected to be much more in the next days.
आपने कितने फ्लैट्स देखे अब तक?
सब देख लिया, पूरा चारों हाल देख लिया।
तो आपको एग्जीबिशन से कुछ ऐसे इन्फॉर्मेशंस मिले, अपडेट्स मिले प्रॉपर्टी रिलेटेड?
टू सम एक्सटेंट।
तो आप कुछ खरीदेंगी प्रॉपर्टी आज?
वो घर जाने के बाद सब ब्रोशर देखेंगे, बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे।
जैसे कि आपने देखा, लोग अभी भी आ रहे हैं, लोग प्रॉपर्टी की खोज में काफ़ी प्रॉपर्टीज़ यहाँ देख रहे हैं, काफ़ी स्कीम्स के बारे में जान रहे हैं, बहुत सारे ब्रोशर्स कलेक्ट कर रहे हैं और डेफिनेटली घर जाके प्रॉपर्टी भी सेलेक्ट करेंगे। तो आप बने रहिए स्पिन टीवी के साथ।
Are going to do a lot of bookings this time, and we are very, very hopeful for bookings this time. As a company, we are having a live active philosophy. That means we are very, very health conscious about people and customers who are buying homes with us. People are very, very happy who are buying homes with us, because all the apartments which we are buying, all the projects which we are coming up is actually live a healthy lifestyle, which means all the amenities, which is a jogging track, gymnasium, spa, swimming pool, all are certified with the international standards, which is one of the best in Bombay, and which makes us unique in the overall industry structure as well.
मेरा बेसिक नीड था यहाँ पे आके एग्जीबिशन में पूरा फुलफिल हुआ है, फर्स्ट थिंग। सेकेंड, जिस हिसाब से मैं जो घर ढूंढ रहा था 1 BHK एज ए इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, जो कि कल्याण साइड में काफ़ी ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है, बैंकिंग ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है यहाँ पे, और प्लस इनफैक्ट बाय एंड ऑफ टुडे आई थिंक टुडे वी बोथ विल अचीव अवर ड्रीम होम एट कल्याण साइड करके। बैंकर्स है, प्रॉपर्टीज़ है, काफ़ी ऑफर्स चालू है। वी कैन इवन बाई sales is good, we can just give a check right now at 10,000 rupees amount and we can book our dream flat today right now. So many options in this exhibition. So it's 100% achievable, people who comes here to get a one dream flat for us.
We have come to this exhibition and I'm finding some wonderful stalls here. We are looking out for a investment opportunity. Hopefully we get what we are looking out for. It's a wonderful, kind of an idea, and we are enjoying ourselves.
This is the year of Narendra Modi at 2014, and I think the difference is also in this exhibition. I think the entire layout of the exhibition is user-friendly. The person who wants to buy what he wants to buy knows exactly where to go. Earlier it used to be a little confusing because everything was under one roof. Today, under one roof, you've divided it in such a way. The western, the central, the extended suburbs, everything is divided so well. So a person can actually go directly to where he wants the product and get exactly what he wants. So I think that's a fantastic difference that I see in this exhibition today. Secondly, exhibitions per se is an opportunity of the consumer. Many times you go to an individual builder and you got to negotiate what he has to say and he has to give. In an exhibition, everybody is competing. So you get the best deal from everybody because he has to compete with all the rest of the people in the exhibition. So it's a win-win-win for the customer. So I think it's a great day to come to the MCHI exhibition if you want to buy or invest into a property.
Could you share with our viewers something about what's put up on your stall and what is it that we can expect from the Hiranandanis in this exhibition?
I think Hiranandanis are all about innovation, changes, and what is the lifestyle that's been done. I think the most important thing which we have done is we have moved into the one bedroom in Powai. We moved into a category which we never did for many years. So we are looking at the smaller segment of housing. Of course, the quality element will remain of being the Hiranandani brand, but still we will move into smaller housing. I think that's a big change for Hiranandani. Second, we have all the rest of the product in terms of it, whether in Thane, in Chembur and other places. So I think there's about a product differentiation that we create. But I think the innovation this year is about getting a small apartment of a great deal with the Hiranandanis.
MCHI की Property 2004 exhibition. On the second day, we are with architect Deepak Mehta. Deepak ji, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much.
Sir, what is the change that you see in this year's exhibition vis-a-vis the earlier years?
One very good thing about the MCHI, in fact, they are the pioneers, in all these exhibitions, especially real estate exhibition in India. I have seen, they have put up a zone-wise, that is in fact very good, because a buyer, when they come over here, they make up their mind, I want to live in western suburb, I want to live in central suburb, or I want to whatever. So they concentrate on that, and unwantedly, they don't move around and waste their time, So it's a very much focused and very good planned out exhibition.
And Deepak ji, second question we would like to know from you is in terms of architecture, the trends that we are seeing over the last 1 year. What are the new things that you are seeing in this year?
We have been practicing for last almost 30 years, and we are almost like pioneers in architecture and all this building industry. Work with all top developers and all our clients. But in last 2 to 3 years, we see a huge change in the style of architecture, the usability, the detail of each and every planning, and with the new bylaws coming in Mumbai, we are expecting a lot of things is coming up. So in 2 years, the planning has really gone zero wastage, good. This thing. Low, ticket price flats have started coming up. Like Niranjan Hirandani has said, they have started 1 BHK apartment in Powai, which was not possible. No one can think in Powai as 1 BHK apartment. That is a ticket price, we call it. Is a, low area and good price. So it will be affordable to everyone. In that, architects are very much required to do a very good planning of the flat. The aesthetic part, the layout, the detailing, everything is changed in last 3 to 4 years. Now, still the more and more thing will be coming up, especially on the outskirts of Mumbai. Let me tell you, you will be seeing a huge flow of affordable housing. You will be seeing a good scale of housing, which probably will be in the range of 3,500 to 5,000 rupees max. This will be affordable to each and everyone, where an architect, a perfect architect is required to do a good planning on it, to have a proper cost control, to make it affordable to the buyers, that will make a lot of difference. So architects will make a big role in upcoming time, new coming, as well as at present.
ऐसा घर जो लकड़ियों से बना हो, एकदम ही वुड हाउस। बात करते हैं डेविड लॉन्जे से। Hi and welcome to the show.
Hi, welcome.
Tell us something about this wooden house we see back here.
Well, as you see, this is the first company in India which produces wooden houses for more than like 7 years right now.
And you've been in this exhibition, today is day 2. How have the walk-ins been and what is the response like?
It seems like many people are really curious and interested about the cabin inside. So it's a big benefit if they can discovering something inside. They go in, stop walking by, just look, go inside and look if there's something interesting. And so many people come in, are interested, and we get a lot of communications and attachments. It's really great.
Hi, we are now with Sumit Modi, Director, Ronak Group. Sumit ji, welcome to the exhibition.
Hi, how are you, Kamlesh?
Pleasure. Tell me something about this exhibition. What are your views? You just walked in today.
Firstly, I was very impressed the way the exhibition has been set up this time. We've bifurcated it into various two separate divisions. One is for the central suburbs and one is for the proper Mumbai suburb. So I think that has given a good opportunity for us as exhibitors as well as for the customers, so that there is a lot of focus and there is quality time which one can spend, and makes it simpler for the customer to compare apples to apples in the vicinity that he is trying to purchase a home for.
There is a feeling which is largely spread by the media which says that festive season means buying increases. What has been your experience so far?
We are seeing that the sentiment is improving, especially after all the positive news that we are seeing in the media and in the public press being taken by the new government. So people are being more optimistic, and we can see that the footfall has definitely been quite interesting this time, and people are serious about what they want, and we are hoping that we get more people coming on to the site, because that's how you end up closing a deal.
So they come to the exhibition and they see the stall and they come to the site.
Yeah, because real estate is a very touchy-feeling thing. I mean, if you're buying a home, you definitely want to go and see where you're buying, what is the status of the construction, and seeing the physical site gives you as an end customer a lot of comfort as to what you're really going to be getting at the end of the day.
Sumit ji, it's been a pleasure talking to you. Look forward to further interactions with you.
Thank you, Kamlesh.
That was Sumit Modi of the Ronak Group, and we look forward to the next such guest. Keep watching.
One of the key offers that we are making at the MCHI property exhibition is the Dream Home Calculator to own a house. The customer pays 5% at the time of booking, and we use that 5% to pay the stamp duty. And the balance money is paid by the customer at the time when we give him the key of the house. This is a complete flexi payment scheme. Customers who are staying on rent can buy this very easily. Customer has no EMI problem. Customer can sell an existing asset while he wants to take the possession or the ownership of the flat at the time when he is taking the key of the house. So all this can be linked together, and this would save not less than 8 to 10 lakhs of rupees in terms of EMI and another 8 lakhs of rupees in terms of stamp duty. So I think this is one of the most innovative financial schemes that we are offering. The second initiative is Good for All. We have tied up with an NGO known as International Habitat Community. What they do is that they go to the villages of India, adopt a village, and then make a house for the common villager. Whosoever buys a house in Mayfair, a part of the fund that will be getting, the purchase consideration, will be donated by Mayfair to make a house into the village that has been identified by them. So, for the flat purchaser, he can directly identify that which is the house that is leading to be made for that person, and he can actually enjoy and hope to see that house for a long time to come. So buy one house, gift one house. That's our second initiative that we have done today. Buy one house, gift one house.